Are you looking at the thing?
Tried it.
Hey, that was nice.
Oh, it came out.
Maybe a little bit more rain coming.
My wheel is a half.
Need stuff from
Hard dive stuff.
I see lions.
It came out my attitude.
Dude, you trying to take a picture? We ain't taking a picture of the other
Relax.
They keep the scare zone kind of somewhat together year round. It's funny.
I'm gonna put it on Facebook, I guess.
That's horrible.
Yeah, I know what's killing the picture.
I did post that and you
I know, but I did
look so blurry and ugly. And then you got to post it. Then you have no consideration. No, that's fucked up. No, you can't do that.
Oh, I never noticed that. This thing panning for gold.
Don't you go back there? The main area for
It's gotta open.
I feel like I've been walking
It's gonna
forever.
go into it. Yeah.
Stay in this area. I said I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go by one.
Yeah, that's it.
But I'm not going by way. Okay, you don't want to. Yeah, I know. I know.
They have a mini one. The little one.
the best part